Actually, this is your first main, students. In Selena, the first main questions are exercise, right? Exercise 21A. In exercise 21A, question 1. Question 1A is, now they won't give you any diagram. Question 1A, they won't give any diagram. If sine A is equals to 5 by 13, then we need to find value of tan A. Find the value of tan A. They can give you a direct question like this, or they can give it in the form of MCQ. Now we'll teach you how to write it. If diagram is not given, no problem. We need to draw the diagram. What is the Pythagoras theorem we use, students? Can you tell me the Pythagoras theorem? All three of you will respond. Hypotenuse square is equals to perpendicular square plus base square. Now let me draw a right angle triangle. See, in this right angle triangle ABC, what is the value they have given? We use this formula, h square is equals to p square plus b square. Which angle value is given? All of you respond. Sin A is how much? Perpendicular by hypotenuse. In place of sin A, let me write the formula. What is sin A formula, students? What is sin A formula? Perpendicular by hypotenuse. Now we got the answer. What is perpendicular value? 5. And what is hypotenuse value? 30. So with respect to angle A, look at angle A. I'm taking A in this. With respect to angle A, which is perpendicular, hypotenuse is AC, which is perpendicular, students. The opposite is perpendicular. BC is 5. Which side is missing? Which side value is missing? B is missing. Use Pythagoras theorem. What is Pythagoras theorem here? Alia, can you answer? Which is hypotenuse? Answer this. H square is equals to P square plus B square. Which is hypotenuse in this triangle? Tell me hypotenuse. Pythagoras. AC square is equal to AP square plus BC square. What is AC, students? 13 square is equal to AB square. We need to find. It's on the right hand side. Plus BC is how much? 5 square. AB is on the right hand side. Keep it as it is. Shift this 5 square to the other side. 169 minus 25. Find the value of AB. Write this, students. Completed. Find AB. Then we need to find tan value. Write the question. Is this clear? Did you understand? Anna, Alia, Shasha? Okay. Square root. See, we'll have less value. 12. So AB is equals to square root of 144. You can write it as 12, students. Concentrate. We'll try to complete before your school starts at least 4 to 5 chapters. AB is equal to 12 centimeters. So with respect to angle A, students, 12. We got 12 centimeters. Okay, I'll complete it. I'll complete. Then you can write. What is tan now? What is tan value? Respond. Tan A. What is tan formula, students? Yes. Perpendicular by base. With respect to angle A, which is perpendicular, look at angle A. 5 divided by which is base? Base is 12. If they ask cot, sec, we can find all the values, right? If you know hypotenuse, perpendicular, and base, yeah, you can find all the values. This is how we solve. Don't do it in any other method. Do it as it is, whatever I've done. So first thing, sine is given, convert sine into perpendicular by hypotenuse. Draw the diagram. The students done? Completed? Look at the question again. They'll give you just sine value, sine, cos, tan, whatever they give. Write the formula. You'll get perpendicular or hypotenuse. Draw the diagram. Use Pythagoras theorem. So this they'll give it as a direct question. If not, they'll give you all options. Example 12 by 5, B 5, C 5 by 12, and D 12. Either they'll tell you to find the direct answer. If not, they'll give you four option MCQ questions. So which option? What's the answer we got? What's the answer for tan A? 5 by 12. Option C is the answer. 5 by 12. Okay, I'll give one more question. If you're done with this, another question. If second question, if tan A is equals to 3 by 5, 3 by 5, then the value of the value of we need to find the value of sine square A plus cos square A is what? So how will you all start this? All three of you respond students. How will you all start this? Tan A is given. Take the question. Look here. Tan A is equals to 3 by 5. What is tan formula? Yes. Look here. In place of tan A, don't draw this arrow. Instead of tan A, write perpendicular by base. What is perpendicular value? What is perpendicular? 3. And what is base? 5. Draw right angle one. Draw right angle. Name it as ABC. With respect to A, which is perpendicular students. This diagram is very important. With respect to angle A, which is perpendicular, BC, BC value 3. And what is AB? AB is equal to 5. What is missing? AC is missing, right? Yeah, use Pythagoras theorem, find hypotenuse. After that, substitute and find cos square A plus sine square A students. Completed. What's the hypotenuse all got? What's the value, students? Okay, Alia, what did you get? Alia, Anna. Yes, respond, Alia, Anna. Why you take so long, Alia, to answer? Got wrong value, different answer? Okay, or still you are struggling to find the hypotenuse? Don't know Pythagoras theorem. Okay. Root 34, students. Factorize root 34. Can we simplify root 34? Is it possible? 2 into 17, 17 into 1. There is no number present twice, right? So it is just root 34. Okay, what do we need to find here? Complete the answer. We need to find sine square A plus cos square A. What is sine formula, students? Okay, what is perpendicular? 3 divided by root 34. And what is cos? 5 divided by root 34. Anna, can you respond? Are you there online? Yeah, tell me, Shasha. When you open the bracket, what do you get? 3 square. How much is 3 square? Root square gets multiplied to both, right? 9 divided by plus 5 divided by 34. How much is the denominator is same, students? Keep 34 as it is. 9 plus 25 is 34. What's the answer? All of you got one? Good. This is how we have to write it. Just go through once. Any question? Use the formula. See, use. Okay, not even the audio. Not able. Okay, fine, Anna. See, if you are concentrating and doing that is fine, students. Okay, you rejoin. Whichever you missed, go through the recording, Anna. But when I conduct weekly test, you'll have to score well, good marks. Okay. From Monday to Friday, whatever you'll concentrate and study, Saturday you'll have to do well. Is it clear, Anna and Alia? Because of network issue, I'm not able to hear you all answering. Okay, complete this. If you have done, we'll do the next question. See, take down this question for homework. Take down one question. Cot A. Third question. Cot A is equals to 5 by 12. Find the value of, find cot square A minus cosec square A. Take down this question, students. Do it for homework. Okay, how will you solve this? What is cot formula? Perpendicular by base or base by perpendicular? In place of cot A, write base by perpendicular. Don't do it in any other method. Whatever it is, do it in the same way. Cot A, in place of cot A, base by perpendicular. Which means base is how much? 5. Draw the diagram. Draw diagram ABC. 5, perpendicular is 12. What is perpendicular again with respect to angle A? Look here, angle A. What is perpendicular? BC is 5 and sorry, base. What is base? Base is AB, right? AB is the base and perpendicular is 12. AC is missing after Pythagoras theorem. Try it for homework. Just copy the question. All three of you. This is the third question in Selena textbook. Completed? Did you all copy? Cot A. Copy properly, students. Cot A is equals to B by 12. Find cot square A minus cosec square A. Next question. Write question 1D. Next question 1D. In the given figure, MCQ question, students. This is MCQ. See, we need to find the value in the given figure. Find in the given figure tan C is equal to what? Option 1, option 2, 4 by 3, option 3, 3 by 4, option 4, 4 by 5. The diagram is like this. Okay, these are the values, students. Total how many right angles are there? Total how many right angles in this? There are two right angles. What do we need to find? We need to find the value of tan C. What is tan C formula, students? Perpendicular by base. Where is tan C? Is it in the first triangle or second triangle? Where is tan? Where is C? Angle C. It's in the second right angle, right? Let me draw the second right angle. With respect to second right angle, what is tan C, students? Delicia, class is at 4:30. Delicia, attend at 4. Yeah, tell me, students. With respect to C, what is tan formula? Perpendicular by base, right? What is perpendicular? Which side is perpendicular with respect to tan C? AD, right? Opposite line, AD. AD divided by what is base? Base is DC. AD value, DC value, we have 32, students. Look at 32. But AD is missing. If AD is missing, how do you find AD value? From which triangle we need to find? From the first triangle, right? Okay. Now let me take the first triangle, students. In triangle ABD, you're supposed to write like this. Look at the first triangle. What is hypotenuse in this? Which is hypotenuse, Alia? Which line is slanting? 26. AB. So what is hypotenuse? AB square is equal to BD square plus AD square. From this, which value do we get, students? If you apply Pythagoras theorem, which value do we get? AD value. Completed. Find AD value and substitute. You'll get the value of tan C. This is how you find fourth question. Try this. First, copy the question. Done. What's the value got, Alia? AD value 24. What about Shasha? Okay. BD is equals to 10 square plus AD is on the right, students, right hand side. So just keep it on the right hand side itself. Which one you have to shift? 10 square, right? And I told you all to memorize 1 to 20 square. 1 to 20 or even 30 is also fine. What is 26 square? Is it 676? How much is 26 square? 676. 676 minus 100 is equals to AD square. 676 minus 100 is 576. What's the value of 576? Root 576, students. Very good. AD is equals to 24. This 24 we need to substitute here. Can you see? I've substituted. Okay, now what's the value when you reduce it, students? What do you get? 8 times. 8 threes are 24, 8 fours are 32. Which option? What is tan C? 3 by 4. Which option? I've given 4 options. Third option, 3 by 4. So you'll get questions like this. They'll give you a triangle. It's very simple. Learn all the ratios, how to apply Pythagoras theorem. If you're perfect with that, you can answer any question. Just to confuse you, they'll give with diagram, without diagram. Shall we try the next one? 1D is done. Next, 1E, students. Okay, next question is, if 1 is if 5 cos A is equals to 3. See, this time 5 cos A. They've given the word 5. I'll tell you how to solve. A number 5 before cos. We need to find sec square A minus tan square A. Is they'll give you 4 options. In textbook, they've given 4 options. We don't need 4 options. Without options, we'll try to solve. Yeah, this is the question, students. Now let me do the answer. Take 5 cos A. Okay, fine. Remember this concept. Before any trigonometry ratio, we shouldn't have the number. We shouldn't have number. If I write 2x is equals to 3, how do you find the value of x? Both of you will respond. What happens to 2, students, if I need to find the value of x? Very good. X is equals to what? 3 by 2. Here, assume cos as x. If I want to find cos A, what happens to 5? It becomes 3 by 5. Is it clear? 3 by 5. Next question. What if only cos 3 is given, students? Tell me what is cos formula? Tell me the formula for cos. Very good. What should I write here? Base b divided by h. What is b value? B is 3. Hypotenuse is 5. Okay. Sometimes they give you a question like this. B is equals to square root of 3. Just square root of 3. Then what is cos value? Base divided by hypotenuse. Base is root 3. If hypotenuse is not given, what do we need to take, students? If no value is there, what do we take usually? Denominator as 1. Is it clear? So these are the 3 types of question you'll get. One, they'll give you both the numbers. Look, they'll give you cos. They'll give you both the numbers, 3 by 5. The other type of question, they'll give it like this. We have to bring down 5. Fourth type of question, they'll give you only cos value, root 3, like this. Then denominator, you take it as 1. Put denominator as 1 and solve the question. These are the 3 types of questions you get. Okay, I hope this is clear. Try this question. No, let us skip this. It's the same, right? Almost the same. We need to draw the diagram. Isn't it the same? Just make a note. Try it for homework, students. One you all can try for homework. Be quick. We'll do the next one. If denominator is not given, take it as 1. All this was first main, second main, third main, fourth main we did. Last week I've done. We'll do the fifth main. Completed. Have you made a note? Okay, try this for homework. Two questions for homework. Next question. See, this is first main. Second, third, fourth, fifth I've done in the previous two classes. Okay, now let's try the sixth one. We'll skip. Sixth one is the same. Seventh question. We'll try question 7. Okay, this is question 7 in your textbook. The question is this. They have given a diagram. In this diagram, instead of numbers, this time instead of numbers, they have given us alphabets A, B, C. They have given alphabets A and A. And we need to find sin A. Second question, sec A. Third question, cosec square A plus sin square A. Copy the seventh question, students. Draw this diagram. In this diagram, we need to find these three things. Okay, let me explain this. This is totally different question, but concept is same. Which is right angle here? Which one is right angle? B. This is triangle ABC. In triangle ABC, let us apply Pythagoras. Basic, what is Pythagoras theorem? In a right angle triangle, if any one side is missing, we apply Pythagoras theorem. This is a right angle, AC is missing. What is hypotenuse, students? Opposite to 90 degree, AC is hypotenuse. AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. AC square is not given, A square plus A square. How much is A square plus A square? Both of you respond. How much is A square plus A square? What is X plus X, students? Like terms. X and X are like terms. When you add, you get 2X, right? In the same way, A square plus A square becomes 2A square. Don't multiply. If it is multiplication, what we would have got? For multiplication, it becomes A to the power of 4. This is not multiplication, this is addition. So A to the power of 4 is wrong. Next, I need AC, not AC square. This square goes to the other side, 2A square. Concentrate. When I'm teaching, concentrate. Don't write, students. Don't write. You'll not understand. Look at the screen. Next, root 2A value. See, if I write m into n, root value like this, I can split it like this. Square root of m, square root of n. In the same way, I can split this into two parts. Square root of 2 into square root of a square. Square root of 2 remains as it is. What about a square, students? The root and 2 gets cancelled, right? Can I cancel it like this? I have taught all this concept. See, square root of x. What's the answer for root? What is x value, students? It is just x, right? Root and 2 is x. So whether the root is outside or inside, it doesn't matter. Square and square root will get cancelled. So we have a left, root 2a. This you can write it as a root 2. So the answer for AC is a root 2. Copy this. Completed. First go through what you have written. Find the value of first, second and third question. Mark this as important. They might give such question. So with respect to angle A, which is perpendicular, students, both of you will respond. What is perpendicular? BC divided by, yes, both of you will respond. BC divided by AC, right? BC is A. What is AC? A root 2. Which one? Which one gets cancelled? A and A. What's the answer? 1 by root 2. This is how you're supposed to do it. You can cancel, take LCM, solve this. Okay, what is root 2? Rational or irrational number? Irrational. Alia, how do you rationalize, student? Yes, you have to. I've told you all. Very good. I've told you all you shouldn't keep any value in the denominator, students. I mean, no rational number, irrational number should be in the denominator. Rationalize. What's the final answer? Root 2 divided by? Good. Try the next one. First rationalize and then take LCM. I've taught each and every concept in chapter 1. Rational, irrational. Rationalize and then take LCM if required. Completed. What's the second one, students? What did you all get? Okay, Shasha, Alia done. Both the questions. What about Alia? Tell me the answer, Shasha. What is sec A? According to formula. What is okay? What is hypotenuse? AC by fine. Let me write AC. If you want, you write it, or you can write the direct answer. What is hypotenuse, student? A root 2. What is base? A. Both gets cancelled. The answer is okay. Root 2 by 1. Third question. Yeah, tell me the third one, Shasha. What is cosec square A? Okay, next. Cosec is hypotenuse by perpendicular or base by hypotenuse? Cosec. I mean, not cosec. Cos square A. What is base? Yeah, what is base by hypotenuse, students? With respect to angle A, what have they given here? Angle A or angle C? What is given for both? Angle A, right? With respect to the vertex, you have to take, students. If they give C, value will be different. What is cos? Base. What is base? A divided by hypotenuse is A root 2, the whole square, plus cosine perpendicular is A divided by A root 2, the whole square. A and A gets cancelled. Keep root as it is. You get 1 by 2 plus again A and A gets cancelled. What do we get? 1 by square root the whole square. Open the bracket, students. When you open square, what you'll get? 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2. If you take LCM, you get 2 by 2. What's the answer? So I've given two questions for homework. Have you all made a note? Two questions. And we did around three or four questions we completed. Okay, remaining there are a few more questions. We'll complete it tomorrow. We'll start tomorrow. What about rational and irrational numbers? You will remember that concept, rational, irrational? Yeah, take down the another question, students. First two I homework question, do it from trigonometry. Take down other two questions. The third question is find the square of 3 root 2 by 5 the whole square. Try this question. Fourth question. 1 by 2 plus root 3. Where is the value, students? I mean, where is rational number? Numerator or denominator for the fourth question? It's in the denominator, right? So how will you rationalize this? Both of you will respond. With what I have to multiply? Very good. 2 minus root 3. Complete this. Make a note of this. Rationalize the denominator. The question is rationalize denominator. So total 4 questions for homework. Those 2 questions plus these 2 students. 4 questions for homework. Until your school reopens, same time, 3:30. Okay, I'll complete early, 3:30 to 4:30. What about tomorrow? Half day or full day? Okay. So till Thursday I'll conduct 3:30. After that, I think they'll give holiday, right? After PTM. Fine. Okay, complete this. Both of you made a note of this.